Hey everybody, it's Jen. Jesus.
That's gotta go in the video.
Hey everybody, it's Jen from Lux Tech Travel, and today we are wearing the Britney Spears Baby One More Time shirt. We're busting out our scrunchies because we are doing another Casetify collaboration with Lisa Frank video. We've got 2 new cases and a new Apple Watch band, so very exciting, and things are about to get real cute, real tough, real quick. Stay tuned to check out what new exciting Lisa Frank things we got in the haul this time. Okay, and we're back. So let's start off with the first case. And Casetify's packaging is super simple. They literally, as soon as you take the top off, there you are, seeing your gorgeous cases. Let's push these to the side. We'll get to you. So here we have Zoomer and Zorbit, and this is the gold glitter case. It is the type of case that when you turn it around, you get like a nice little glitter waterfall action happening. This case is definitely sturdy. Your phone is going to be protected. Let's actually put it on right now. The one I have is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, Midnight Green, and I chose the gold glitter. It comes. Are you kidding me, Siri? Not right now.
Not.
Siri wants to talk to us right now. Go away, Siri. Okay. Super easy to put on. I chose the gold glitter because I thought it would complement that midnight green tone beautifully, and it does. And let's check out that waterfall action again. We've got frosted sides, so if you were trying to show off the stainless steel green edging, it's gonna be covered, unfortunately, because the sides are not clear. They're more of a frosted. You do have button protection. You have your port to mute your phone. Your charging and your speaker ports are perfectly lined up. And you've got your Casetify logo around the camera port. There's definitely a raised lip around this. Like, I feel perfectly confident doing that. Why not? Imagine my phone cracked. That would have been hilarious. But no. All right, so let's take a look at very quickly some of the specs on this case. So the glitter case is $45, free shipping. It comes in rose pink, gold chrome, unicorn pastel, glow in the dark pink, and monochrome silver glitter options. So you definitely have plenty of options as far as how you want to deck out your phone. But I also wanted to show you, because as we talked about in the last video, the Casetifys like to give you protection levels and weight levels. So this case is strong protection, so about mid-range protection, but it is heavy as far as weight. And yeah, I definitely feel like it is a thicker case, but I still think that it doesn't take away from the look at all. And something cool about Casetify's website also is you kind of get to try it on your phone ahead of time. So you can see what it's going to look like on your specific color for your iPhone. So Casetify, definitely something that advertises they're not only really cute stuff, but they're also really tough. And I know that in my last Lisa Frank video, we had our fingers crossed for actual Lisa Frank stickers, and we've got an index card again. Casetify, I just want some stickers for my notebook. All right, let's move on to the next case. Okay, so the next case that we have is the Neon Sand case in the Sticker Fest collection. So I had the Sticker Fest clear case for my iPhone XS Max and absolutely loved it. Definitely heavy protection and super cute. The stickers, they feel raised as if they are actual stickers, but they don't come off, they don't scratch. I can attest to that because I would throw my phone in my bag and nothing as far as the images came off. Another very easy case to put on. This one is in the size for the iPhone 11 Pro, not the Pro Max. So, and this is a space gray color in case you were wondering. So, let's take a look at the neon sand action. It's super cool. It almost reminds me of like a lava lamp. So definitely ultra retro vibes because you got the retro look of the Lisa Frank stickers. And you also get this nice bright colored neon sand inside. So it is not a clear case. You're gonna have this is like almost like a turquoise blue background with the neon yellow sand on the inside. Your sides are also not clear. They're more of like a frosted color. There's your charging port, your speaker ports, volume buttons protected, definitely a raised lip, and also a very raised lip around the camera. So, slap it down. This is Jose's phone. Oh man, good thing he's not watching this. All right, so the neon sand case retails for $45, and the one that you're seeing is called Extra Green with Yellow. This one is in the size the iPhone 11 Pro, and here you've got same type of protection as the gold glitter case. So mid-grade protection, they labeled that as strong, and it is heavier in weight. And I would highly recommend this case as well. It's definitely protective while still being super cute and decorating your phone, living your best 90s/early 2000s life. And we've got one more item that I'm super excited about because I didn't get this the last time they dropped that collaboration. We've got the watch band in the neon cheetah print. So this is my first watch band from Casetify. So I'm very curious to see how the fitting is. All right. So this one, the packaging is not as easy. You get this little part here you've got to unwrap. So I'll be right back once I finish opening this. All right, and we're back. So how cute is this watch band, guys? Okay, so let's test it out. I have the Series 5 watch, 40 millimeter, but the good thing about the watch bands is if you have a 38 millimeter, it will still fit your watch as well. So we're going to swipe that out and test this out. So, oops, slid right through. So it'll be a little slower, I guess. All right, it's locked in. Fits beautifully. Let's check the other side. Same thing. Very easy to install. And we've got a silver colored buckle. It's more of like a matte silver. It's not very like super shiny or bright like a stainless steel. The Casetify logo is here on the little strap that keeps your band secure. Beautiful cheetah print. This is leather. Let me look on this side. You've got the Casetify logo on the inside too, and it's very soft. I can tell that it's not going to irritate my skin. Your Lisa Frank logo, and let's try it on. Okay, and we're back. Beautiful fit. The finishings, so this is the stainless steel silver, but definitely it would match even if you had the titanium silver watch. It would match great as well. Doesn't feel very... I do have a little bit of space. I probably could have gone down one more notch. But I love that, like, if you're just resting your hand casually... Oh, yeah, that's right. Lisa Frank, people. Lisa freaking Frank. Let them be jealous that you're living your best 90s/early 2000s life. And you can always slide this if it's sticking out. That always happens with me. I do have a pretty small wrist. So I do appreciate that this is adjustable. And it's a double buckle, which is nice too. So you got the complete look. So it's going to secure right here. I've had watches where they only secure on this half, and this is actually exposed. So this watch band gives you that full buckle look. And I like that it's not super shiny, or it's more toned down, because it lets all of this fabulous Lisa Frank action come through and be the star of the show. Highly recommend this. I know that they had a few other color options. They had more that was the composition book style with rainbow colors. And let's check out the price on this one so you can see what it retails for. And it is $52. And you can adjust the finishings. So depending on which watch you have, if you have the gold, which if you have the... Now these, I would say when you're looking at the finishings, you want to keep in mind that they're using more of the titanium watch colors. So it's not going to be the super shiny gold. You have space gray, silver, which is the one I'm showing you. So even in the picture, it does kind of look a little shiny. It really isn't. It's more muted. It's almost, I don't want to say truly matte finish, but it's not stainless steel. And you also have the rose gold, which is more for Series 1, Series 2 collectors. Alright guys, so this has been the unboxing of the first batch of deliveries that came in for my Lisa Frank collection, and that second new collaboration drop. I do have one more case on the way. I have the... Let me put this here so you guys get the full effect. So I do have one more case on the way. It is the Sticker Fest. So this one for the iPhone 11 Pro Max in that new iridescent color that came out. Unfortunately, it is, according to the tracking, literally stuck in Kansas. So as soon as that one comes, I will do a unboxing. We'll test it out on the phone. And I will also post a follow-up to how these cases are holding up as far as day-to-day wear. So definitely make sure that you like, subscribe, because you are going to want to check out that new color. It is absolutely stunning. It's almost like a cotton candy pink and blue. All right, this has been Jen from Lux Tech Travel. Thank you for joining me as we live our best lives with Lisa Frank, letting us enjoy and reminisce on those beautiful days when we decked out our notebooks, bought all the Lisa Frank folders, and doodled everything in Milky pens and gel pens. Peace.